This is the 18th slide of inverse trigonometric functions. We have done some numbers of 9, number 9 fourth bit. Solve tan inverse 1 by 2x plus 1 plus tan inverse 1 by 4x plus 1 is equal to tan inverse 2 by x square. Solution tan inverse x, you know the formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x into y is equal to tan inverse 2x by x square. So tan inverse will be taken to the cancelling tan inverse. We have on simplification LCM will is equal to 2x plus 1. The LCM of numerator is 2x plus 1 into 4x plus 1. So this is equal to 4x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 in numerator, and the LCM of a denominator is 2x plus 1 into 4x plus 1. So it is 2x plus 1 into 4x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 2 by x square. This implies the LCM, two LCMs cancel. Then we have in the numerator we have 4x plus 2x, that is 6x plus 2 by, here in denominator we have 2x square plus 2x into 4x, 8x square. Then 2x plus 4x is 6x. Here this is plus 1 and minus 1 is equal to 2 by x square. So 2 into 3x plus 1, you are taking 2 common from 6x plus 2. 2 into 3x plus 1 into cross multiplication x square is equal to 2 into, here 1 cancel, 8x square plus 6x. On multiplication, this implies 3x cube plus x square is equal to 8x square plus 6x. Then this implies 3x cube minus 7x square minus 6x is equal to 0, which implies x into 3x square minus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. Then either x is equal to 0 or 3x square minus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and 3x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0 by middle factor. So on factorization this will be x minus 3, because you can take 3x common, then x minus 3. You can take 2 common, x minus 3. So result is x minus 3 into 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So your x is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Then 6th bit. Solve 3 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square minus 4 into cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square plus 2 into tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to pi by 3. We will solve it, we will find the value. Then this implies 3 into, here sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is 2 tan inverse x. Again 3 into 2 tan inverse x minus 4 into cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is also 2 tan inverse x. 4 into 2 tan inverse x plus 2 into tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is also 2 tan inverse x is equal to pi by 3. So all total this is 6 tan inverse x minus 8 tan inverse x plus 4 tan inverse x is equal to pi by 3. Total 10 tan inverse x minus 8 tan inverse x is equal to pi by 3. Then 2 tan inverse x is equal to pi by 3. That means tan inverse x is equal to pi by 6. Then x is equal to tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 is your 1 by root 3. Tan inverse pi by 6, sorry, tan pi by 6, not tan inverse. This is tan pi by 6, that is 1 by root 3. So the value of x is equal to 1 by root 3. Then 11th bit, solve sin inverse x minus cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse root 3 by 2. Solution, your sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse x plus cos inverse root 3 by 2. Here taking cos inverse to the right side, then sin inverse x is equal to, you know, cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x, because cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Then cos inverse, your in place of root 3 by 2 you can write cos pi by 6. So you have sin inverse x, here sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2 plus your cos inverse cos cancel, we have pi by 6. This implies 2 sin inverse x is equal to 2 pi by 6. 2 sin inverse x is equal to 2 pi by 3. Then sin inverse x is equal to pi by 3. That means x is equal to sin pi by 3, that is root 3 by 2. So the value of x is equal to root 3 by 2. Then 12th bit, solve sin inverse 2x plus sin inverse x is equal to pi by 3. Solution, we can write sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x, that means here 2x, plus sin inverse x we can write pi by 2 minus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 3. So we have pi by 3 and this is pi by 2, then pi by 3, pi by 3 minus pi by 2, that is pi by 3 minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, that is pi minus pi by 3, that is 2 pi by 3 is equal to cos inverse x plus cos inverse 2x. You know the formula for cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse x into y minus root over of 1 minus x square into root over of 1 minus 4x square. Then our cos inverse can be taken to the left side. We have cos 2 pi by 3 is equal to 2x square, x into 2x square minus root over of 1 minus 4x square minus x square plus 4x fourth. Then that is half, your cos 2 pi by 3 is minus half minus 2x square is equal to root over of 1 minus 5x square plus 4x fourth. So we have here squaring both the sides. Here we have 4x fourth minus 5x square plus 1 is equal to minus 2x square minus half whole square. If we will simplify this whole square it, then it will be 4x fourth plus 1 by 4 plus 2 into 2x square into 1 by 2. So 2 1 by 2 cancel, our product this will be 1, 2 2 cancel, we have your 7x squares. On simplification, 4x fourth and 4x fourth cancel, we have 7x square is equal to 3 by 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2 into root over of 3 by 7. This much. This is your complete. This completes the solution, that the value of x is equal to your plus or minus 1 by 2 into root over of 3 by 7.